Welcome to the Daily App Show. Today we have an application for your iPad as well as your iPhone and iPod Touch called SnapBooth. Open up SnapBooth and it's going to open the app and open the camera. And if I tap on the actual image of the screen, it's going to count down to 3 and then take my photo. Now the way this works is I can try again or I can share it. It's kind of like a virtual photo booth. Notice that down below it's got some hashtags I've added in, and I can even add a watermark down in the bottom right hand corner. So if I try again, it's going to open up the camera and allow me to take another photo. So we'll go ahead and tap to snap again. And so now that I like this photo, what I can do is tap share it, and it's going to share this with all the settings that I've set up in SnapBooth, which I'll show you here in just a second. So I'll tap share, it's going to share it out. And now what I can do is let's come into our settings and we're going to go over the share options. Here I have my social, which I can do a SnapBooth share, which is going to share it to my iPhone or iPod Touch as long as I have SnapBooth on that device. I can share to Twitter, which is automatically going to share it with my Twitter account. Share to Facebook, which I can have it share to my Facebook account. Save the photo to my device, print photos, and even email photos. Now I'm going to turn these print photos and email photos on, and we're going to take another one so I can show you how that works. We can add in our own hashtags for outgoing photos. You see I've got 2 in here. If I wanted to, I can type in another. So this would be great if you were at a wedding and they wanted to add in their own wedding hashtag for social sharing. You can add this down there at the photo. We can have it choose our rear camera instead of the front-facing camera. If you have a Nova Flash that works with iPhones and iPads, you can enable that and go ahead and set up some of the settings in here. And then down below, you see all of our watermark, where I can enable the watermark. I can choose the different images from my camera roll, and I can change the width, height, and even the Y and X coordinates, or reset the watermark. So if I tap on here, you'll notice I can open up the camera roll. There's that photo that I just took. I can choose another photo from in here. So if I want it to be Daily App Show logo, go ahead and tap on that. We'll tap done, and it's going to add that watermark. So let's go ahead and take another photo, and now we're going to go over the print and email settings. So there's that new photo that I took, and now if I tap share it, it's going to do all my share settings, and then here's the print. So if I tap print photo, it's going to allow me to print it with a printer that's nearby. Or now that I have the email option up here as well, I can go ahead and type in the person's email that I'd like to send it to, and it's going to send that photo I just took to them. And you can do all of this by tapping on the settings and coming in here and setting up all of your options for all the social shares, and it's going to happen automatically as soon as you send the photo out. So once again, this application is called SnapBooth. If you like it, be sure and pick it up in the App Store today.